Okay, it's asking write the slope-intercept form. Okay, so slope-intercept form right away, you know it's going to be y equals mx plus b. So know the forms. Slope-intercept form of an equation that passes through 8, negative 2 and is perpendicular to the graph of 5x minus 3y equals 7. Okay, so what is asking is this. You have an equation of 5x minus 3y equals 7. Which is this? That is the line that is of 5x plus 3y equals 7. And it's asking in that problem, write the slope-intercept form of an equation of a line that passes through 8, negative 2 and is perpendicular. So that means if it's perpendicular, 8, negative 2, you're trying to find the equation of this line. 8, negative 2 is right here. 8, negative 2 is right here. Okay? That's 8, negative 2. You want to find the line that's perpendicular to that. That means you're trying to find the line we want to find the equation of this line right here, line B. Line A is 3x plus 5y equals 14. Line B is what you want to find, the equation of that line. Okay? Now visually, that's what you want to do. But how are we going to find the equation of that line using what we have? So again, you need to find the slope first. So you have 5x minus 3y equals 7. In order to find the slope, there are two ways to do this. Standard form, you can find the slope. Okay? What is the slope of this in standard form? Because that is in standard form. What is the how do you find the slope of that line if it is in standard form? Yes. Nope. Standard form. Yes. Justin? Negative a over b. Where your a is equal to 5 and your b is equal to negative 3. So the slope of this line is negative, what's your a? 5 over negative 3, or the slope is 5/3. Right? And since we're talking about perpendicular, you want to find the negative reciprocal of 5/3. So what is the slope of the line that is perpendicular to that line? Yes. Negative 3 over 5. That is now your slope. Okay, after you find negative 3 over 5, go back to your y equals mx plus b. Substitute that slope, y equals negative 3/5 x plus b. Okay? And get the point 8, negative 2. And substitute the x and y to that equation to be able to find b. So in this case, what is my y? My y is negative 2. And my x is 8. So you have negative 3/5 times 8 plus b. Right? This becomes now negative 2 equals negative 24 over 5 plus b. Or b equals negative 2 plus 24 over 5. Which is equal to what? LCD is 5. This becomes negative 10 plus 24. B is equal to 14 over 5. That is now my y-intercept. So get your y-intercept and substitute it back to your original y equals mx plus b using the slope negative 3/5. So if I'm going to rewrite this, this now becomes y equals negative 3/5 x plus 14/5. This is now the equation of the line that is perpendicular to 5x minus 3y equals 7 and passes through 8, negative 2. Okay? And that is now your slope-intercept form. And if you notice, what is the standard form of that line? From here, what is the standard form of that line? What is the standard form of that line? So on the top left, what is the standard form of that line? Yes. There you go. Here it is. This is the standard form of that line. Which is this? Yes. If I switch that into y equals mx plus b, it will give me decimals. Because it does not give it in fractions. So, see? That's the same thing. Yep. Any questions? No questions? Alrighty then. HW.